Hi, everybody. Welcome to Exploring Food with Smitty. And guess what? The holidays is upon us. Before you know it, it's going to be Thanksgiving. So, what I am going to be doing for some of these next recipes is giving you ideals of things that you can fix ahead of time so that you're not in the kitchen all day cooking by yourself or with family. You get to sit down and enjoy. So, a lot of these recipes I've tried on my own and they've came out perfectly. So what I want to do is share them with you so that maybe you can have some time and not be in the kitchen all day. So what I want you to do is to stay tuned for the recipes so that you could follow them and you could have an easier Thanksgiving. Oh yeah, and by the way, if there's any recipes that you want me to make or that you need a recipe for, please don't hesitate to either send me a comment and let me know.